I'm author Angie Kim, and I am so excited to be part of Autism Tree's 20th anniversary year celebration. And I just got my medal, and I am so excited and proud of this. Thank you so much. And this fall, on August 29th, I am coming out with a new book called Happiness Falls. I'm so excited that it features a non-speaking character. And it was actually beta read by Autism Tree's own Otto, Lana. So I'm so excited about that too. And I also wanted to announce that I am going to be participating in Autism Tree's annual Neurodiversity conference. And the night before, I'm actually going to be in La Jolla at Warwick's doing a book signing and conversation with Otto, and hopefully the mod squad as well. So thank you so much for all of that. I'm so excited to meet you all.